Hi guys, in the last video we prepared our files and we made them ready for writing the code. In this video we are going to write the code of the first three sections. This header, the about us section, and our services. So let's get started. I've removed the heading hello world, and we are going to start by making a comment. Start header tag with an ID home. Then we are going to make a div with a class of container and a class of text center. The header tag is a new html5 tag that is made for not only for the website headers. We can write it for every section header, like this one. This is a header for the service title. This is a service, and this is a header of it. Also, this is the header of the main website. So header is a new tag in html5 with an ID home. Inside it, div with a class container. Container is a bootstrap class that calls the grid and make everything inside the bootstrap grid. Text center is also bootstrap 3 class that centers everything in the middle of the page. So we are not going to need to make a CSS code that makes the text centered. Text center is a class that's come with bootstrap 3 that centers everything in the middle of the page. We're going to make an h1 with a class logo, the strong tag. Inside the strong is setup. Strong tag is a tag that makes every the text inside it is bold, like this one. Then we are going to make an h3 tag with a class. Actually, it doesn't have a class, and I'm going to copy this text right here, and I'm going to put here a BR tag. The BR tag is a tag that breaks the line and makes a new line. So let's imagine right here, this was one line. I came here and put a PR tag. It breaks the line and made a new line. So BR tag breaks the line and makes a new line, like this one. I'm going to take my name and put it inside a strong tag. Then I'm going to make an anchor tag, a is a href window with the class learn more. This is the anchor I'm going to make. This is an anchor with a class of learn more. When you click it, it will take you to the about section. So I'm going to add here about ID about. So when you click it, it will take you to the section with an ID about right here. I'm going to make an I tag. I tag refers to icon. The icons right here, you'll find them in the font awesome. Arrow, right here. I'm going to use this one. FA angle down. So I of the class FA and FA angle down. Right here, I'm going to copy this 3 times. Then I'm going to add right here third icon, third arrow, second arrow, and first arrow. Let's see. Alright, so far so good. This is very nice. We have the logo, we have the second heading, and the arrows. We're going to make the about section start about. We're going to make a section with an ID about. So right here the section have an ID about. So when you are going to click these icons, it will take you to the section with an ID about. The href means the direction of the anchor. Anchor is the link. So the href is the direction of that link, and the direction of that link is the ID about, the section with the ID about. So when you click it, it will take you to this section right here, like this. You click here, it will take you like this to this section. I'm going to make a div with a class container and with a class of text center. I'm going to call the grid and call the class text center to text to center everything in the middle of the page. I'm going to write an h3 tag with a class of text uppercase. Text uppercase class comes with the bootstrap. It uppercases everything inside it. Little, strong, about, us, HR. HR is a tag that makes a line like this one, and I'm going to add a paragraph. Inside the paragraph, lorem ipsum. You can find lorem ipsum text on lorem.com or ipsum.com. I don't really remember. I'm going actually to copy this text right here. To make everything looks exactly like the BSD, and pick a random word and put it inside strong tags. This is it. We have created the header, we have created the about us. So for now we have header with an ID home, header tag with an ID home. So that a div with a class container to call the bootstrap framework grid, and I'm going to explain the bootstrap framework more in the next video. And a text center class that centers everything in the middle of the page. We have a heading 1 with a class logo, that is the logo of the website, and another h3, and the br tag that breaks the one line and makes them two lines, and the big anchor, big link with the direction to the about section, id about, and with the class of learn more, and 3 icons, 3 down arrows. Every arrow has a specific class. We have a section with an id about, inside it h3 with the class text uppercase, to uppercase everything inside it, hr tag for to create a line, and a paragraph. So let's start the services. Services right here. The services is going to have a section heading, service title, service item. The service item will have header. Inside the header will be an icon and the service title and a paragraph. Let's turn all this into HTML. Start services, section ID services. Let's make our section heading. This is our section heading. We'll make it div with a class of section heading and a class of text center. Inside it will be an h3 with text uppercase, our services, and hr with a class of icon. So we are going to have 2 lines, the normal line right here and a specific line that has an icon in the middle of it. You can see the lines have a gray color. We are going to edit all this in the CSS. Let's start making our service item. We'll start by creating a div with a class container, another div with a class row. So the class row is a class. It is the class that makes everything inside it will be in grids or columns like this. Our service item will be in 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You will not be able to make each one inside 4 columns if you don't have this class row. So you must have it. This must be done. So we'll start by creating a div with a class call md4. What's mean by this? Call md4 meaning column medium 4. The columns refers to the columns right there. These are columns. Medium refers to the medium screen, and the medium it will display the standard columns. It will display it like this, and 4 refers to 4 columns. Another class called call sm6, another class called call xs12, another class called service item. So what's all these classes? This one will make the service item takes 4 columns in the big screen, the medium screen. This one call is small 6 will make the service item takes six columns in the tablet or smaller screens, and this one will make the service item extra small. Will take the whole 12 columns in the mobile screens, very small screens. I'll show them now. And this service item refers to this one, service item. Inside this div, we're going to make a header with an icon if cubes. Icon fa cubes. The fa class calls the font awesome. Font awesome will not appear if you didn't write this class. You must write this one, then write the specific icon class. Then a div was a class of service title. Inside this one you are going to make an h3 heading, 3D design, and h4. So what is this? This is the service item, and this is the header right here. This is the icon right here, and this is the service title. This is the h3 and this is the h4. This is it, and a paragraph. So I'm going to copy this I'm going to copy this 5 times. Oh, this is it. You have created the services. So the difference between these classes will be like this. This is the medium screen. Every service takes 4 columns. Smaller screens, like tablets, service item will take half the number of columns. This side will take 6 columns, and this side will take 6 columns. So one like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This means by call small, call sm6. If you change the number like 3, you'll find this one takes 3, and this is how it works. And 12 for the extra small screens, like this. It takes the service item takes the whole grid, 12 columns. This is it for now. We have created the first 3 sections. We're going to create in the next video the next 3 sections, and I'm going in the next video to explain the bootstrap and what is the bootstrap. So thank you.